Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the channel. So just a little update with the channel. This is the final video for 2025, and next year in January we'll kick off with Gloucester Canary Australia Season 3, and we'll start off with a home visit. So, on this little video, Michael will be showing us his a very basic soft food mix with cauliflower, and yeah. So with myself, just the breeding season update. I had 4 pairs of crest bred, 3 were successful. I've got 2 chicks at the moment in their flight cage, and the rest are on fertile eggs. Now, I did also take on 2 pairs of 5s, so they're doing great. So with the 2 pairs of 5s, one pair's got 5 chicks and the other pair's got 3. And the rest of my birds, my youngsters, are all Gloucesters. I've bred over 60 so far. My plan is every year I try to start breaking down my pairs in December, and I try to finish up around Christmas time. Now, I've noticed with the crest bred, they are a little bit slower with their breeding season compared to the other birds. They tend to start like a month later. So I think I'll probably stretch those out till probably mid-January. All right, guys, I'll show you my youngsters, and I'll leave you with that. And I hope you guys are all doing well with your birds and your breeding season and all sorts. And yeah, and guys, thank you for supporting the channel. You know, with subscribers, your nice comments on Facebook and on the YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys all next year. All right, guys, I'll just leave you now with just a video with just some of my youngsters, and I'll see you then. Have a good one.
Okay, over here you've got the egg and biscuit. This is the cauliflower. So you use the food processor, and it should turn out something like this. I've been doing this and they've been feeding the birds great. Sometimes I give it to them like this. Another time I'll add a boiled egg as well. So it's like that. Mix it up, have to be a bit fluffy, a little bit moist, a bit more. That's it. Try giving your birds like this. See how you go for the feeding. See it? Nice.